tune. Tomorrow will. Tomorrow will bring up the skill we've been trying to master. We'll master it and conquer it, and maybe we'll teach it after. And maybe we'll teach it after. Up we'll hop and learn a lot as fast as we could caper, and sing aloud and reach the clouds with happiness and wild scrapers. With happiness and wild scrapers. Tomorrow will bring up the skill that we've been trying to master. We'll master it and conquer it, and maybe we'll teach it after. And maybe we'll teach it after. On we'll run under the sun as fast as we could caper, and sing aloud and reach the clouds with happiness and wild scrapers. With happiness and wild scrapers. Tomorrow will bring up the skill that we've been trying to master. We'll master it and conquer it, and maybe we'll teach it after. And maybe we'll teach it after. Here's to you, Mother.
As she laid in her bed, all sick, her kids gathered around her quick. Mother, tell us what's wrong. Don't worry, we'll help. We're really strong. But only a weak cough was her reply. She was so tired, and that was no lie. And so, to help, the kids have decided, all as one, with love they were guided.
Mother, Mother, here's to you. We'll all help you through, till you be strong, all better along. Yes, that's what we will do. Yes, that's what we will do.
once new. Fat one's skinny, one's fair, one's true. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. By the river they would come, wibble wobble, hoo hum hum. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
Hide and seek. Run, run, run away. We'll play hide and seek today. Count to 10, don't sneak a peek. Run, run, run away. Run, run, run away. We'll play hide and seek today. Count to 10 and don't you peek. Run, run, run away. Hey, hey, you caught me. I was behind that big tree. Oh, I wish that I could flee. Hey, hey, set me free. Job song.
I have my own lab, I can create new things. And do you know what else I do? I make experiments.
You are a scientist.
I have a lovely voice, I sing to everyone. And do you know what else I do? I record songs.
You are a singer.
I put braces on teeth and make them all straight. And do you know what else I do? I fight toothache.
You are a dentist.
I know a lot of things, I can't teach everyone. And do you know what else I do? I work at school.
You are a teacher.
I take care of all pets and save their lives too. And do you know what else I do? I treat their wounds.
You are a vet. Happy birthday. only if. Children will go play